guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how I made these beautiful butterfly wall hangings using items that are mostly from Dollar Tree. Interested? Then just keep watching. Here are the items that I used for this project. So the first thing I did was cut out the centers of 4 of my serving trays. I then used my lever to cut out 1 3/4 inch butterflies. Next, I cut out 2 3-inch pieces from a 5th tray, and then I used that same lever to cut out the butterflies from these pieces as well. Next, I used my floral foam to trace 2 circles on my 6th tray. I then cut those circles out, and then I used the lever to create butterflies with the remaining pieces from my 5th and 6th tray. I then used this inexpensive fishing line from Walmart to make the butterfly pieces that I need for this project. I made 4 pieces with 7 butterflies, 4 pieces with 6 butterflies, and 4 pieces with 5 butterflies. I then used hot glue to attach those butterfly pieces to the top of my floral foam. I then used a combination of hot glue and strong adhesive to attach the circle tray piece to the top of my floral foam. Because the hot glue prevented this piece from being flush with the floral foam, I decided to add thumbtacks. I then added the second round tray piece to the other side of the floral foam. I then used those same thumbtacks and a small amount of hot glue to attach my strips along the sides of the floral foam as well. While that dried, I used these Dollar Tree rhinestones to cover up my push light. You could also use a push light from the Dollar Tree, but I'm using this $5 light that I purchased from Five Below because it is remote controlled and because this will be out of reach once it's placed on my ceiling. To complete the project, I decided to add just a few more butterflies, including some of the diamond wrap butterflies that you guys saw me make for last week's project. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link to that video below. And here's the finished look. I later decided that I did not like this piece being flush with the ceiling, so I added a Bath & Body Works candle lid to the top of my design. I also shortened the length just a bit so that it would fit in front of my back door. Here are the items that I used for my second project. So the first thing I did was remove the chains from my wire baskets. I then attached them using my zip ties. I also reattached one of the chains. I then took my basket out to a well-ventilated area and gave it one coat of my silver metallic spray paint. While that dried, I made more butterflies with my plastic silver serving trays. Here I'm showing you how I used my lever to cut out as many butterflies as possible. Once my basket was dry, I used a combination of strong adhesive and hot glue to attach my butterflies. I then covered the bottom of my basket with my diamond wrap. As you can see, I'm adding more of the butterflies to the top of my design, including some of the diamond wrap butterflies as well. I also decided to add some of the hanging butterflies to the inside of my design. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Also, be sure to subscribe to my second channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise, Up Close and Personal. I'll leave a link to my second channel below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.